Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff from ZomegaCJ.com, and in this video we're just going to show you a little bit about contacts on the Symbian 3 platform. Now basically with Symbian 3 you can actually add your favorites, which will show up if you have added your favorite widget right there, which is pretty cool and lets you access some of your favorite. The contacts application is basically the same as Symbian before it. Basically, you organize you display your contacts according to your alphabetical name and stuff like that. There's group support as usual, nothing new as such there. You can create new groups. You can also check out the memory details of any groups, or go to settings. In the settings, you can change how you display your name, if you want to sort by last name or something else instead of that. You can also choose to display only your phone contacts or your SIM contacts or service numbers, stuff like that. But yeah, basically it's pretty much the same as before. Like I said, you can add your favorites right there. You can also create your own card if you want to send a business card to some people. If a contact of yours has more than one number, you'll see it listed as two numbers right there, or multiple numbers, depending on the kind of numbers he has. You can also sort. You can sort by just dragging your using kinetic scrolling basically, but you can also use the list right there to go all the way down. You'll see the alphabets list over there. So yeah. Contacts are basically the same. If you have the Nokia social application installed, you'll see the a little link to the social network right there. Of course, it's not very. It doesn't pull in your status updates and stuff like that from Facebook or Twitter. For that, you'll need to install another application called Socially, which will pull in your contacts' Facebook status updates and stuff like that. But out of the box, there's not really much of social networking integration with your contacts. As you can see, you can list numbers right there. You can also long press on something, like a message. I can just send a message to them directly, which is cool, I guess, and easier, fast enough to call them by long pressing on the call icon, for example. You can also add other fields right there. Everything from telephones or middle names, suffixes, nicknames, email addresses, Yahoo, OE, Google, Skype, all a bunch of stuff like that. So yeah, that's something that is always good on Symbian, as you can see. Unfortunately, though, you cannot actually edit a label anymore, which is possible before. You can't do that anymore, which is not really cool. I don't know why they removed that, but yeah. For example, if I had a friend who had a mobile number in Bombay and a mobile number in Delhi, I could have added that right there. But now I'm just stuck with that and the home and the business labels right there. So yeah, that's kind of weird that they removed that. But yeah, so yeah, that's I guess that's pretty much it for contacts on Symbian 3. Otherwise, it's mostly exactly the same. You can add a picture for each contact, stuff like that basically. You can also long press on a contact if you want access to a couple of features right fast right there. But yeah, so that's basically it. One cool thing about contacts on Symbian 3 is that now you can merge your contacts if you have multiple contacts under the same name, and you can also sync to OV if you want to, or view your memory details to see how many contacts you have, stuff like that. Yeah, that's about it, I guess. So yeah, that's basically it for contacts on Symbian 3. Again, if you have any questions or comments, do let us know in the comment section below or on the blog. Until then, I'm Clinton Jeff from ZomegaCJ.com.